horses untethered?
Think so?
Come on, Morgan. Pick up the pace here.
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Are you trying to kill those horses? Apparently, picks up a new team of guards who can stay blind, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See? This is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
Go easy on them horses, will you?
They're left here, towards Rhodes.
You're a funny feller, John Marston. What folks say?
The wagon can't take this.
You had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something.
Whoa! Ease up on them horses!
So, like I was talking about, that could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Because I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live. Hey, slow down a bit.
I blame you two for rescuing them.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
I'll do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Bastard! All yours, Captain.
Everybody stay calm and everybody gets shot. Go! Everything you got. Money, valuable.
This is unnecessary.
There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Please don't hurt me.
Maybe what you got, mister.
Wanna have a little chat
You
with
won't
Romeo
get
and
her.
Juliet here?
Don't do this! Je ne peux pas mourir
Please don't
maintenant!
hurt me.
Deal with these two,
What's
will
the
you,
problem
Mr.
here?
M?
I don't want to get hurt. I'll do anything.
Come on! In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
Getting robbed, mister.
People like you make
Everything
me
you got.
sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Stop it, fucking.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2.
It ain't worth dying over. Tell him, Mr. M.
Here.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Right you are.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why are
that?
you wasting our time,
You
huh?
show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here.
Don't molest me, please!
Everything you got. Money,
Empty your pockets, mister.
You ain't leaving till
You'll
this
be on
bag's
your
full.
way.
You won't get a damn cent from me. Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Don't be an idiot. On it now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cuff it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
Reach for your money and nothing else. Make me hurt you. Gonna need all your money, my friend. You got a big problem.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you
Getting
folks
robbed,
move
mister.
a muscle.
Give me everything
Hear
you
me?
got. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur. Watch it.
I'm sorry.
Come on, get up here, little Irish.
Need some help? What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Some decent stuff.
I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me. We'll take that.
Come on, we should get out of here. All right, we should probably be going now.
We're looking good in here.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Ned, there's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Shit, we got more on the left. Coming through the trees, you see him?
Behind us! Come on!
Right, let's lose him. God.
Easy. Wah! Keep going, Morgan! Let's get rid of this.
Whoa!
Whoa! Ho, ho! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.